Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we share what is Vaheguru and what is the meaning of Vaheguru and how do we experience Vaheguru in our life. Vaheguru. When we see something which is beyond our imagination and our expression is wow, we are at loss of words, and that is the expression that we give. Wow. Vahe. That is an expression of euphoria and ecstasy. Guru. Gu meaning darkness and Ru meaning light. So Guru means Guru is the one who brings us out of our darkness and reveals our light to us. So when we say darkness, what is darkness that we experience? This darkness is the darkness of our own ego. Like we always think that we are this body, we are this thought, and we are mostly relating always to our body, thought, emotions. But the Guru is the one who reveals to us our true inner self. In Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Guru Ji says, Man tu jyot saroop hai, apna mool pachan. So that jyot, our inner self, our inner soul, or we can say one consciousness, which is everywhere, it exists in the whole world, it's the same in everything. That consciousness, that one unity that we always talk about, that which we do not know yet, but it is our Guru who reveals that to us. So, Vaheguru, when the Guru reveals to us our own true inner self, we are wonderstruck, and that when we are in union with the Almighty, or when we realize our own inner self or our own higher self, or we can say God, when we realize God, then that is the highest ecstasy that we can ever experience in this human form. And so Vaheguru, the Guru, one who reveals us that light, and then we are wonderstruck. That is what Vaheguru means. And also Bhai Gurdas Ji, who is the greatest Gursikh, he was the nephew of Guru Amar Das Ji, and he was the first Jathedar of Akal Takht, and he scribed Adi Granth as it was dictated by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Bhai Gurdas Ji has written the Vara, and Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that Bhai Gurdas Ji Vara are the key to understanding Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So in Bhai Gurdas Ji Vara, he has written that Vaheguru consists of 4 syllables, Va, He, Gu, Ru, and these 4 syllables are representative of the 4 ages. The whole of the time is divided into 4 ages: Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and Kali Yug. We are in the age of Kali Yug right now, and Guru Granth Sahib Ji mentions about these yugs in Gurbani also, when he says Jug Jug Bhagat Upaya Paj Rakhda Aya Ram Raje, and in many other places. So in Satyug, Vasudev avatar came, and the letter V of Vaheguru was revealed to Vasudev, and the mantra was Vishnu. So the avatars or the Satgurus, they take human form to guide humanity. Then in Treta Yuga, Ram avatar came, and the letter or the syllable Ra of Vaheguru was revealed to Ram avatar. And then in Dwapar Yuga, Hari Krishna avatar came, and the letter Ha of Vaheguru was revealed to Hari Krishna avatar. And then in Kali Yuga, Guru Nanak Dev Ji in the form of Gobind came, and the letter Ga of Vaheguru was revealed to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the Gobind avatar. So in all the 4 yugs, 4 syllables were revealed, and together they are combined, and we get the mantra Vaheguru. And Bhai Gurdas Ji refers that Vaheguru is the Guru mantra. Vaheguru Guru mantra hai, jap home khoi. Now what is mantra? Mantra is a Sanskrit word, and it can be divided into 2 parts, man and tra. Man, that we refer to us as the mind. Man, and Tra means to go beyond, to transcend. So mantra is something that helps us quieten the mind and it helps to transcend the mind. Like, let's say if this is our mind and we need to go beyond it, then we have to have something which is higher than the mind or the highest of all, and that is what is mantra. And by jap of it, by chanting Vaheguru, our ego is vanished. Vaheguru Guru mantra hai jap home khoi. When our ego vanishes, when our false identity of what we think we are, that goes away, that vanishes, and then Vaheguru or one universal consciousness and the God that is revealed to us, and then we are in one with God, we are in union with God. So we shared the meaning of Vaheguru. Vaheguru is Guru Mantar, and it is in Podi 49 Var 1 that Bhai Gurdas Ji has written about the 4 syllables of Vaheguru corresponding to the 4 yugs, that the 4 syllables were revealed to the different avatars. And also in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Vaheguru comes 13 times, and it's only Bhai Gayant Ji who has written in the Bani Vaheguru Shabad on Ang 1402 and 1403.